What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. That way, every time we send out a new video, you're the first to be notified. All right, we're going into case study number one with My Legion Secrets and ClickBank. What we're doing is we're using My Legion Secrets. They give you 100 leads every single day for $1, and we're using these leads to promote ClickBank offers too. Now, what you get with this platform for $1 a day is you get 100 drip fed business opportunity email subscribers into your contact list every 24 hours that you can email to offers from ClickBank. You get a done for you email platform. This is your email platform right here. Your leads will be filtered into here every single day. You just hit select all, and then you put your subject line and your email in right here and send off every single day, once a day. Now, I have email swipes when you join my team that I will give you. Also, the products that we promote. We also have email swipes that come with them. Now, as you know, if you was in my last case study where we promoted the all-in-one 25 digital business right here, we started off with zero, no sales, nothing, and we used My Lead Gen Secrets to promote it. And as of today, we're less than 30 days in, and we now have 10 sales, totaling $20 per each sale, recurring every month. So we're getting $200 a month less promoting this offer less than 30 days. Um, we've got $200 recurring income coming in every single month. Now, what I wanted to do in this next case study is promote ClickBank offers and then take the profit from the ClickBank offers and buy premium traffic that will go into our autoresponder and promote this business steady to everybody that showed interest. So this is day one in the case study of promoting ClickBank offers, and let's just go see if we have a sale. As you can see, we do have a sale, $13.73 on our first day promoting with the My Lead Gen Secret. This is day number one, and how to get to the products. Once you got your leads over here, you're going to come to ClickBank, and you're going to go to Marketplace. Now, since these leads are business opportunity leads, we're only going to be promoting to a special niche of people, and that will be e-business and e-marketing. Once you get to this page, you're going to sort your results by gravity. And then here are the products that we're promoting. Um, Social paid, which is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and Right Apps reviews. Now, each one of these will have a place right here called affiliate page. If you go to that page right there, this is where you're going to get your email swipes from. Um, Email swipes. Email one, there's 20 days worth of emails right here. And then if you go up here and put your name and email in, not only will you get a 10% commission bump on each sale that comes through, they're also going to send you more email swipes every week that you can use. So all you do is you come here, you copy the subject line, You go to your autoresponder, you paste it in, you go back, you copy the email. I'm not going to copy it all. You go back and you just paste it in and send the email. Now, what's so great about My Lead Gen Secrets, and it's only $1 a day, is you can refer somebody to this program and they'll give you an extra bonus of 100 leads a day, giving you 200 leads that you can promote to every single day. Now, also, they'll let you get multiple accounts with you chaining them under each account that you purchase. So, like, I've got 8 accounts. I've got, when I purchased my first account, when I got my second one, I used my first account's link. And then when I got my third account, I used my second account's link, and so on, so on, so on. You're also able to take advantage of the referral commission, also signing up under yourself. So if I was you, I wouldn't start out with one account. It's just going to take forever to see results. If you can start out with 3 accounts, 3 to 5 accounts, you'll be able to see a lot of sales sooner. If you want to get started with this, the links are going to be down in the description. And if you also, you can take a look at my last case study where we took in less than 30 days just using my lead gen secrets leads. We took this account from 0 to $200 recurring income every single month in less than 30 days. Now, now this business right here is our main business. This is the one that we want to promote. So as we're promoting these ClickBank offers down there at the bottom in the PS section, where you put your name, we're also going to put our link to my the all-in-one 25 digital business right here. Since this is the main or high ticket offer, one sale every week can get you to $100,000 recurring income every single year. 2 sales, you can be making $150,000 recurring income, and in just 3 sales, you can get over $224,000 recurring income, and that's just off from this all-in-one 25 digital business. The link is in the description below, and also as a bonus to anybody who joins me, there's also going to be a playlist section where I show you how to promote this, how I promote my business day in and day out, how I get free leads and how I get my leads. But since this is the case study for ClickBank, what we're doing is we're going to take all ClickBank uh, profit and we're going to buy premium traffic and we're going to build up our email list. Now, the email list that we're building over here with My Lead Gen Secret, that is cold traffic, but it converts. It's the best cold traffic I've been able to find. Um, and we get the email to this massive platform every single day, and they're converting. So I can't say nothing bad about it. Um, in less than 30 days, I've taken the all-in-one 25 digital business to $200 recurring income a month, and now we're going to use this ClickBank and use this profit to buy premium traffic for the all-in-one 25 digital business. So, all right, so day one with ClickBank successful, and not only did we get a sale with ClickBank, we also got a sale with the all-in-one 25 digital business. Okay, guys, all the links are going to be below in the description area below this video. Uh, if you want to get started with My Lead Gen Secret, and then you can just start promoting to ClickBank. Just go into the e-business marketplace there and pick something to promote, to advertise to your email list. And I would suggest to do what I'm doing is ClickBank offers and the all-in-one 25 digital business. All right, guys, I'll see you on day number 2.